Hello everyone, welcome to our first video in this course Cracking the Coding Interview. So in this video we will going to discuss about simple problems that usually we face while giving interview for anything like as a full stack developer or you are giving or a UI developer anything. You will usually face and this kind of similar problems. So for this consider I am having a list. Okay, I am naming it as fruit and I am having three elements inside the list. Consider I am having as an apple, mango, and banana. Okay, and this will be our input to the problem, and what I am expecting as an output will be the reverse of this list. Okay, so what I want first is banana, followed by mango, followed by apple. Okay, so we will name this problem as reverse list. And usually for solving this kind of problem, the maximum time one should take is 15 minutes. And the level of difficulty for this one is just a 1 star, considering if you are having 2 star for the medium and 3 star for the difficult one. So what you can do, you can stop the video here and you can try this solution from your own, and you can try anything like you can use your knowledge and algorithm for this one. So you can just scratch and practice this one, and after this we will explore various options, various approaches for solving this kind of problems. Thank you.